Yo, yo, yo. CPA Strength here, back with another video. How could you guess? Because you're watching a new video. Anyways, please subscribe to the channel. I do daily videos. I keep it litty. Anyways, we keep it live. Yeah, this is one take Timmy up in his bed. Anyways, please subscribe. I do daily videos. They're tremendous. You're gonna love every one of them. I guarantee it. Also, if you subscribe, I'll give you a cookie. If you're vegan, it'll be vegan. If you don't want gluten, gluten-free. However you want your cookie if you subscribe. Also, if you like this video right now, you gotta like it right now. You'll have good luck for the rest of your life. What is this video gonna be about? This is about filing status. On a 1040, filing status. Let's get to the basics. There's 5 filing statuses. That's it. There's if when you do a 1040 tax return, there's going to be 5. Oh, I am a licensed CPA in the state of Florida. I'm the strongest CPA in the state of Florida, but I'm a licensed CPA in the state of Florida. I've done well over 1,000 different tax returns in the last 7 years. I'm going into my seventh season as a tax preparer currently, and I think this would be helpful. There's also questions I've gotten from people, from clients, blah blah blah. Let's get into it. So there's five filing statuses. That's it. There's like if you file a 1040 tax return, your status when you file, your filing status is either going to be single, married filing jointly. So look, I should have put the number, I put a box. There's 1, 2, married filing jointly is another one, a third one, married filing separately, a fourth one, head of household, and a fifth one, qualifying widower. Now that's it. There's only 5. So it's pretty cool. I guess you got a 20% chance of being correct. Now let's just look. This is going into, I just looked on the 2017, because we're in year 2018, but we file for the previous year, always in the past. I tend to live my life in the past, but I guess I'm an accountant, so. These are the standard deductions. We just went over standard deductions in yesterday's video, because if it was standard or itemized. These amounts change every year. I just want you to notice that single deduction, standard deduction, and married filing separately are the same amounts. Married filing jointly and qualifying widower are the same amounts. Head of household is its own amount. So you got 1, 2, so there's 5 filing statuses, 3 different amounts. Let's go with single. What would single be? Me, forever alone, me. I'm not married, I don't have any dependents. I think I looked at the publication 17. That's where I get all my information, because the IRS puts out the publication 17. Anyways, I was reading the pub 17. You can get the publication 17 off the IRS website. Really, anything I say about tax information can be found on the IRS website. I was saying single is if you're not married and no dependents, or not married and doesn't meet any other factors. So single, I would say, well, that's what I file. I'm not married and I don't have a dependent. I believe so. Not married and no dependent. Yep, probably spelled dependent wrong. That's why I did it real sloppily, so you can't tell. Let's go to our next one, married filing jointly. You gotta have 2 socials for this one. Married filing jointly. This is You're married. Blessings. Blessings you found someone to share the rest of your life with. I should be so lucky someday. You found that special someone. You're married. You're gonna file a tax return together. So you would file married filing jointly if you're married and you want to do it together. Now there's the third one, married filing separately. That is, you're still married, but you don't want to file with your spouse. You don't want to file with your partner for a myriad of reasons. There's so many reasons, but that's the third one. Married filing separately. You're married and you want to file separately. Single. You're not married. No dependents. Married filing jointly. Married and you want to file jointly. Married filing separately. You're married and you want to file separate. We're going to skip head of household because I want to kind of finish up with that one possibly. We'll go to qualifying. Qualifying, we're going to skip over the head of household. Big brother, HOH. Anyway, qualifying widower. That is widower. You're married, your spouse passed away. But there are stipulations. You can only use this one for 2 years, not remarry, and you need a dependent. Out of my 1,000-something tax returns, I think I've done 1 of these, maybe 2. So this does not happen very often. You need to be a widower and have dependent. And let's go back to head of household. Now you say a single person who says, "I'm head of my household. I'm the head of my household." I don't really work like that. The main thing to be head of household is, to be head of household, you have to have a dependent. A dependent. Dependent. I don't know if this is an A or an E. I don't have spell check on this. I'm sorry after 300 videos if I make a spelling error. So you need a dependent. So you need a kid, a child, parent, to be head of household. This video is definitely long enough. I would look at the Pub 17 has a bunch of different rules. I just wanted you to know that there's 5 different filing statuses. This is, I guess, single's the default. This one's the default. It's like if you don't fit in any other category. So single's the default. Are you married? You want to file with somebody? Married filing jointly. You're married, your spouse passed away, and you have a dependent, qualifying widower. You're single, you're married, but you're not filing together, and have a child or a parent or a dependent, that's head of household. You're married, don't want to file with that person, married filing separately. That's basically it. I hope you liked the video, hope you enjoyed the video, hope you found it helpful, and until tomorrow, this is CPA Strength, and I'm out. Deuces. I guess if I say deuces, I should say deuces.